Hey guys, Matt here from Complete Prospecting. So we're just out here in the great outdoors. Come across a little bit of a patch here, so I found two pieces just over there, another piece just over behind the camera. Just got another little signal here, so I just thought we'd dig it up and see what we find. So you can see just as we go over it, there's a bit of a signal there. So the first thing we'll do is just clear back some of those rocks just so we can get a bit of an idea exactly where the target is. So we just clear those back. Now there's a nice kind of flat area for us to put the coil over. So you can see straight away it gets a lot louder because I can get the coil a lot closer to the piece. And so one of the things I do is by moving my coil kind of backwards and forwards, I can try and find where it's loudest. So I reckon that's where it's loudest, right in the middle of where that coil is. So if I dig that out, first I normally just scrape off. The ground's pretty hard here, so I'll just kind of scrape back, half an inch, something like that. Move the rocks back a bit more. So you can see the signal's getting louder, so that's a good sign. I've taken a bit of dirt off. I can get the coil down a bit closer to it and the signal's getting louder. So it's still kind of right there in the middle. What I do again, just scrape some of this dirt out of the way because the gold's not in that. Scrape a bit more of this out. Still in there. So I reckon it's more over here. So what I'm going to do is just scrape some of this more out of the way so I don't get my piles mixed up. Just scrape that out. That got it out. Still down deep, but that's a good sign. That's what we want. So then what I'm doing is just clearing the sand out, of the way so my piles don't get mixed. Okay, so then if the piece of gold is in this pile of dirt, it's easier for me to pinpoint it in that pile rather than a big mound. So it just saves you a bit of time when you're trying to pinpoint it once it's out of the hole. Let's see if that got it. Still in there. other pieces we've found in this little patch haven't been very deep, so this is the deepest piece we've kind of come across. This little spot. One little tinker over that. Yeah, so it's out of the hole now. Fantastic. So it should be in this pile. Up here somewhere. I'll just get a trusty little spade out. I could spread this out a bit more, but there you go, first one. So we just half it, makes it easier to pinpoint where it is. Just put half back in the shovel. There. So the first thing you got to do though is you've got to clean it. Yeah, there you go. Lovely piece of gold. Straight out of the ground. So there you go. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.